Hello. Hi. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi. Welcome. So today's video is like a little bit I don't know, because it's literally 2 a.m. right now. Well, it's 1:43 a.m. but I am a little bit psycho, and I thought, why not film this video since I go to sleep every day at 3 a.m. and I don't do anything, so might as well do something. Yeah, so today I bought a polygel. Well, I didn't buy it today. I bought this polygel kit that I've been dying to try. I don't know, like my mom, maybe no. I bought this polygel nail kit and I am very happy with how it turned out. So I did my right side first because I wanted to do the other side on camera just so I could not waste more time, you know. So I did this during the day and this is how they look. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll just insert a clip earlier. And they look so nice. I'm very proud of them. The shape is kind of iffy, but considering this is like my third time trying this kit, like, well, this is like my first time trying like my full hand on my right side, because other times I would just try the thumb to see how it looked. But this kit is so easy. You'll see in the video. It's so easy to do. It's like super quick. I'm just like, how? And it's so cool because you can like pop off the thing. Okay, you'll see when you'll see when I show you guys. But yeah, let's get into it. So I bought this kit off of the Modelones website, and it took so long. I ordered it May 8th, and it literally came like not 2 weeks ago, like a week ago. Yeah, it came June 5th. It came June 5th and I ordered it May 8th. That literally took like almost a whole month to get here. So just be like, if you want to order it, I don't know, maybe Amazon doesn't take that long. I don't know, but Modelones website, it took pretty long because it comes from the actual manufacturer, which is from China. So it like took a while. Then I had to go through customs, and it was at JFK for like 2 weeks. Anyways, let's get into the video and let me stop talking. So I got this kit from Modelones. It was the mini polygel nail kit, and it's a cute little packaging. It's super like, if you want to go do your friend's nails or your sister's nails, this is literally all you need for it. And your little your LED lamp, but your LED UV light, whatever, I don't know. It's so tiny. Like, I could literally put it in my purse, in my book bag, and like it takes up no space. But if I want to do acrylics, I have to take like so much stuff, like the monomers. So this is just very convenient. It was $44, but in the Modelones store, you get a gift. So you get these 2 nail files and a cuticle pusher, like tape for design, and what else? Oh, and these thingies, which is like to remove the gel, which is pretty cool. Like, you literally just wrap it around and like it helps you remove it, and then you just file it down and just take it off with the cuticle pusher. But yeah, okay, so let's unbox this, even though I've already tried it. But okay, so this is stuff that I came with. It came with this little like pen thingy, not pen thingy, but it's a brush. If I just pull it out, a brush, and this is what we're gonna use to you know, yeah. Then this is a slip solution. This is what we're gonna use with the brush to smooth out the gel. And it came with 4 different gel colors. This is light apricot. This is a color changing one, and it's super cool. When it's hot, it's white, like white clear, and when it's cold, it's like this pinkish purplish color. Then this is the soft pink color I have on mine right now, and this one's just pure white. Then they have the base coat, top coat, and the dual forms. Okay, so I prepped my nails. They're kind of ugly, so just ignore them. And I put the base coat, and I cured it on with the LED lamp. Now let's go on with the first nail. I'm gonna start with my index finger because this is the part, like, I guess the prettiest part. So I have this Kiara Sky Soak Off Gel Polish. It's a non-wipe top coat. And I'm gonna use this one. This I bought on my own. I think it was like $8 or something. I actually got it on Amazon. So I'm gonna use this dual form. Try to fit it as the same size as your nail, like a perfect match. You could reuse these, so I've reused this a couple of times. That's why it looks a little bit wonky, but it still does the trick. So I'm gonna do the same design with the butterflies. So I'm just gonna put it where I'm just gonna put the gel nail polish where I want the butterflies. So like a dot here, a dot there, one dot here, one dot there. Doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as the butterfly sticks to that part, you know. So I'm gonna be using this butterfly thing I got on my own, and I got it on Amazon also, I think. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So it's just these reflective butterflies. I'm gonna pick them up with this cuticle cutter, whatever you want to call it, and put it here. Put it on where the gel polish is. Make sure there's not double butterflies, because it could get messed up at the end. Okay, I think that's good enough. Looks like this. So what you want to do is just cure it under the LED lamp for like about maybe like even 10 seconds. It cures really fast, but I'm gonna do it for like 30 seconds. So just turn the LED lamp on. Okay, after finished cooking or whatever you want to call it, it cannot move, it won't move. So now let's go on with the polygel. So for this, it usually comes with a spatula, but I'm just gonna use this end of the cuticle pusher. It's dirty because I did them for these nails too, but whatever. Tomato, potato. So I'm just gonna put it, I'm running out of this also, so hopefully this is enough. And then you put it onto the dual form like this. So now I have this dish, and I'm gonna put my slip solution inside of it, and I'm just gonna pour it like this. Dip it in. You don't want to dip all of it too much, so you just take out the excess liquid and just drag it to the form that you want it to. And just push it out. You don't want it to be too thick. You want to get just the right amount so it's easier to dry under the UV lamp, and also you don't want like too much ooze, because this product is really sticky, so you don't want your fingers to be sticky or your nails to feel weird. So yeah. Alright, so once it's all like smoothed out, you're gonna put it onto, ooh, you see? See, this is what we want to avoid. You want to get rid of all that excess around it for sure, because that is not good. So now that we have that done, we are going to want to place it on top of your nail. And just place it, oh my gosh, place it like this, and just push it down gently, softly, and any ooze coming out from the bottom or the side, just clean it up with your brush. Okay, it's coming off. Just put more back on. Alright, and then here you just want to smooth it out. Mine looks okay, but I'm just gonna smooth it out more because you don't want it to like cover your skin. You're gonna cure the top side for 60 seconds and then the underside for 30 seconds. Okay, so after the time is up, you just want to like pinch a little bit, and it should come right off. You see, like, it's like, okay. I'm trying not to mess this up. And boom, it came off so easily. And now look, it's like this one. Well, not like this one, but yeah. I just gotta cut it off and file it, and look, it looks beautiful. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do this one regular, not with the butterflies. So what I'm gonna do is just measure them, make sure I have the right measurements. What number? I think I need number 8. I just like showing this part because it's so cool. Ta-da! Oh my god, that's like literally like magic. This next part, I'm not gonna really talk over it. I'm just gonna speed over it because, yeah, you already know I did the same thing. I really wrong, explained over and over again the same thing. Now I'm going to use this nail cutter to cut the nails. Okay, so I cut them. This one needs to go down a little bit more, but it'll go down with the filing. Okay, ignore my nails, they're kind of ugly right now, but now that I filed them to the desired file or whatever, my filing skills aren't the best, but hey, I tried and they look good to me. So let's move on. I'm gonna use the top coat that the mini modelones kit came with, and I'm just going to apply that to my nails. And that's it. These are the nails. The cuticle area is not the best, and the filing maybe not the best either, but it is pretty cool for literally a thing that you can do when you're bored at home, or like, it's just super cool. I don't know, I really love it. So yeah. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, some tips: don't put too much because it could get a little bit like, it could get like hard to dry them because there'll be too much gooey stuff, so it won't dry properly and it'll feel really weird on your fingers. Don't get on your nose, don't get it on your, don't touch the sticky part. Just try to avoid that as much as possible, because once it's sticky on your hands, it just feels so gross. And I need to go wash my hands now. After you like cure it under the UV light, try to wipe it with an alcohol pad if it's too sticky. If you feel it's too sticky, try to do that. What else? I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video once again. Give this video a big thumbs up, please. It is, okay, what time is it now? It is 3:35. Not too mad at that because it could be worse. Plus, I usually go to sleep at this time anyway, so I'm not tired at all, which is great. But now I have to take off all this makeup that I literally just put on 2 hours ago. Not even an hour ago. Anyways, maybe I am tired. That's a good thing, because I have not been tired at this time, and I really want to go to sleep because I love sleeping. But then I don't let myself go to sleep because I watch a bunch of shows and I binge watch all of the freaking shows, all of them. Anyways, thank you all for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos in the future. And if you liked my nails, please let me know. I feel like the shape is bad. I could do better, but it's 3 a.m. and I don't feel like spending hours filing. It's just hard. Filing is hard, so I gotta work on that. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see me do more videos of me doing my nails, then give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, peace out. Bye. What was that? Bye.